gonna get back into that creepy house. Because it's creepy. And I'm interested. Let's go. I need help. Be careful, Talia. Don't film the ground. Film the star.
Shut up. Well, at least the star doesn't have a big hairy head.
Big come back.
I need help out.
Just walk through it. Ow. Watch what you're recording. Yep.
Okay, hold on. I thought that was a thorn.
Doesn't that look really creepy?
Let's get a better view.
We're gonna get it close up. What was that?
I don't know.
Oh well. What if we get killed? I love you, Mommy.
There it is again. Oh no, wait. Do it again. Do it again.
Vandalism. People are bad people. Shame on you, whoever did this. People who break windows are horrible. I
I
mean,
just heard something move.
I didn't. So shut up.
I did. It's just like moved.
I don't want to step over this. What if there's like a hole in the ground and they're gonna catch us? I ain't shitting. I'm jumping over. Fuck you, Talia. You get stuck back here. I don't care.
Ew, I got a video of that too. Nothing happened to me.
There's a mailbox. Oh, look at the mini tree. Ain't it cute? Oh, look. The house got burnt. Ain't that nice? I can do it, I swear.
There's people's homes.
Is there?
Right there.
Following us?
What is that moving?
Cat. I don't think they can see it, Talia. Alright, come on. Ew, mud!
You know I'm not supposed to be back here.
Shut up, Talia. It's a personal adventure. Well, thank you for coming on our adventure. See our lake? Look, ain't that pretty? Well, bye.